Peter Haddock and I'm here with James Grist with Grist Environmental. You might be a member of the family, James.
Yeah, very true.
So we're here in your waste facility and you've been part of the family business since you were able to leave school.
Yeah.
And the thing about you is you've actually started on the machines, haven't you?
Yeah, all of us, my older brother and I've got a younger brother as well. We've all got our lorry licenses. We all use all the kit and we've all progressed from the floor.
And so what's great about that is you understand about machines, and that's the thing we're going to talk about. We've got an older JCB literally in front of us, 9,500 hours, I think?
Just over 9,500 hours, yes.
And so we were talking about this machine earlier, and you're like, well, it hasn't had anything major go wrong with it.
No, lots of little things, as on every brand of kit, but it's never had a problem where it won't run. JCB obviously watch the live link, it's all serviced by JCB, and we've had no major issues.
And this is what you're talking to us about. You've got a really strong relationship with Holt JCB, the local dealer, haven't you?
We have, yeah. Holt JCB are good, they look after us, they watch the live link. If we have an issue, they're out quick.
And so LiveLink, folks, for those who don't know, is the JCB telematics system which looks at the usage, the hours of the machine, but also looks at any fault codes and things like that that are coming through. So you can do preventative maintenance on the machine before you get any sort of engine overheat problem that turns into a failure, isn't it?
Yeah, that is true, yeah.
So the other thing about your business is you've grown up and basically it is a relationship business. A lot of the people trust you, and the company's grown a lot, hasn't it?
It has, yeah. We always like to say yes, hopefully service everyone's needs.
And what's really interesting, you said to me earlier that basically when somebody phones you up with a skip, even if they want it early hours of the morning, you yourself have jumped out of bed and still now deliver that, don't you?
Very true, yeah. All of us are all still very hands-on, and yeah, if it's early hours of the morning, late at night, weekends, we'll head out and make sure they're serviced.
And the other thing about the business which interests me is the fact that you've diversified and you've grown. And so JCB Finance had financed this machine, but also your other fleet that you've now got. Tell me a little bit about the sort of the big fleet mix that you've got now.
Well, it ranges from skip lorries, hook loaders, the dust carts, Arctics, obviously all the machines, shredders, screeners, crushers. We obviously work closely with JCB Finance, not only on JCB kit, they're happy to do all sorts.
So when you talk about lots of different equipment, you know, you have therefore financed crushers, screeners, but also trucks and things like that as well.
Yeah. All sorts of lorries and vehicles are all financed with JCB.
And how has the whole finance piece wrapped itself up when it comes to the machines? Because you don't just look at the finance for buying a machine, do you? It's a part of a holistic approach with service and warranty extras and things like that, I get.
Yeah, well, with JCB, they will custom build a package to what you need, whether it's a service package or extended warranty. They will do exactly what you ask them to.
And it's not just about the machines, it's also, you know, you need various different attachments here as well, don't you?
Yes, selector grabs, strap grabs, obviously out on the crushing screening is just the standard buckets, and yeah, we use a whole variety of attachments.
And as the business has grown, you've had to get bigger with your fleet, and those decisions are made by yourself, but also it's that level of kind of advice, isn't it, and almost consultancy that you're getting from the team at Holt.
Yeah, no, it's we have lots of brands knocking on the door, and JCB do seem to be the one that sort of put together the package that's right.
Yeah.
Is
simple as that.
Yeah,
really.
as simple as that. Yeah.
So another site, you've done acquisitions as well. So you know you've got the fleet is expanding, isn't it, in lots of different ways.
Yes, we have just purchased another waste site. We've got 6 sites altogether. So yeah, we hopefully slowly growing and progressing.
So folks, it is all about relationships here at Grist. It's a family run business and they can do things a lot differently, folks. And we're here on a sunny day, but you'll work 24/7 when stuff comes in. And the whole process, and you've done lots of different things with business, environmental stuff. You've even got picking at festivals, folks.
Yeah. We have got a whole team on events, and go all over the UK.
So whatever happens, it's all about how you look at your fleet, how you look at your relationships, but also how you keep equipment running like this. And so therefore it's all about how that comes together and you can make a profit for the business, isn't it?
Yeah, that is key at the end of the day, is obviously making ends meet and having good, reliable kit and to make that work.
Well, great to meet you, James. Let you get back to it. Lots and lots of trucks coming through here with the Grist logo on, and other people taking soils, aggregates and waste away. So it's been a great journey here with Grist. I've spoken to James, I've spoken to his colleagues as well, and there's a series of videos, people, that go with this one as well. So look out on my channels for them, and it's been a fantastic experience getting deep down in the waste with the JCB set. Cheers.
Cheers, thank you.